Good morning, all of you. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the lesson number 6, human resources. Okay, lesson number 6, human resources. Actually, people are the greatest resource of a nation. There are many resources, but beyond all the resources, human resources are the greatest resource of a nation. The healthy, educated, skilled, and able people themselves are resources because these people can convert the material into a useful product. That is why human resources is very important. Okay, okay. Like other resources, human resources also not equally distributed all over the world. Human resources are very important for the development of the nation, but it is not equally distributed all over the world. Understand? Anyway, if a country has more population, which means that country is rich in human resources. Okay? If a country got more population, which means that country is rich in human resources. Anyway, we will discuss now about the distribution of the population and the reasons for the distribution of the population. I told you the population is not equally distributed all over the world. The distribution of population in the world is extremely uneven. It is not even. Some areas are sparsely populated, while other area of the world is very densely populated. Some areas are sparsely populated, while other areas are densely populated. It is because of many reasons are there, because of the geographical and climatical conditions. Okay, that we will learn a little bit deeply after this topic. Many people live in northern hemisphere of the earth than the southern hemisphere. It's because of the availability of the resources. China is the most populated country in the world. After India, then USA, then Indonesia and Brazil. Anyway, China is the most populated country in the world, then it is India. Most of the population concentrated in the tropical region of the world. Most of the population in the world concentrated in the tropical region of the earth because of the availability of the most of the resources in that area. Okay, now we will discuss about the density of the population. What is the density of the population? The number of people living in a square kilometer is called the population density. The number of the people living in a square kilometer, that is the density of the population. Okay, the average density or the population density of the world is 51% per square kilometer. The average density of the world is 51% per square kilometer. But the average density of India is 382, which is bigger than that of the world average of population density. Anyway, Indonesia is the most dense nation of the world. It is not India, it is Indonesia, which is the most dense nation in the world. So, what is the density of population? It is the number of the people living in a square kilometer. Number of the people in a square kilometer.